Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 3rd of January, Monday. And yesterday in the Discord, if you guys are not in Discord, the link is in the description, join me. As said in today's Bitcoin video, I was expecting Bitcoin to close near $46,700. Now before I even show you this one, I just want to go to yesterday's update and listen to this part.
Day is a black day with a close as same as the first day. All right. Now, what we want to see for Bitcoin is Bitcoin today goes down to 46,600. All right. And it closed at the same level as the first candle. And that's going to result into a perfect stick sandwich candlestick.
Right, cool. Now, I did say it, and as I said today in today's Bitcoin video, I was expecting Bitcoin to close near $46,700 to complete the stick sandwich. So this drop is normal and expected. People were actually fearful, but it was very, very predictable that that drop must happen. And now from here, there's one more thing I did have to update, that there was no volume in the Bitcoin pump when it went to 48,000 or 47,900, and there was no volume in the Bitcoin dump as well. Stupid Bitcoin. Of course it is stupid as well. Now, there's one more thing on the announcement tabs. I just want to show you this announcement tab as well from there. So from here, yeah, so a sneak peek to what happens after a successful stick sandwich chart pattern. So here's your sneak peek, guys. I want to open up this image, and do you see, when you have a stick sandwich like this, look what happens next. Now, this was from Polkadot. Do you see that? It had a nice what do you call this, man? Stick sandwich candlestick. Stick sandwich candlestick. I really need to actually practice this. Now from here, guys, I told you it goes by 27%. So from there to there, look, this one rised about 14%, but it's looking to go to that particular price level of 35 to complete the 27%. So this was your stick sandwich candlestick pattern. And now for Bitcoin as well, let's dive into the Bitcoin charts, and let's talk about Bitcoin in here. And Bitcoin to me is now very, very bullish. Okay, it's really, really, really bullish once again, and I don't think this wick is ever gonna be filled. I don't think so anytime soon, because you have a nice double bottom, and now you're getting that stick sandwich candlestick. Now let's go into the weekly time frame, not the monthly, sorry, the weekly time frame right here. And you, my friend, okay, there's one small problem, that you didn't close at this level, which was gonna be 46,700. I personally wanted to see Bitcoin close near that level, but still, nonetheless, this is still your stick sandwich candlestick. Now, as predicted, if this one does play out, and listen guys, this doesn't confirm 100% that it's gonna play out, remember that. Now for us on the weekly time frame, what you have to pay attention for is this particular price level. I'm gonna drop a blue horizontal line right there, which is gonna be 46,700. And why am I saying this is because on the weekly, if you close below this level and backtest and fail it, then there's a possibility to actually go and fill the wick and go to $40,000. Okay, at the moment the bulls are winning. Yes, the bulls are winning. Just because you're looking on the smaller time frame and you're looking at 47 to 46, 48 to 46, 48 to 45, it doesn't mean that we're not bullish. We are still in a bull trend, remember that, and we are still in an uptrend. That's something that I'm going to assure you of. And I don't think there's any reason for us to actually panic or anything. I'm not panicking. I've been buying. I've been telling people on the signals as well what to buy, and we've been winning some. We won even with Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi really went up so really nicely, like 10% in one day. So basically, I even recognize that this. Can you see how this is turning out to be? You can already see that we are finding support at that blue line right now. So what you don't want to lose is 46,700 and close below it, because in the past 21 days, you never ever closed below that blue line. So that blue line is really, really important right now. Closing below that will actually result to go even way more down. At the moment, unfortunately, people who are saying that this wick is gonna get filled, I don't think that wick is gonna get filled, unfortunately. And now that we have a bullish candlestick known as a stick sandwich, um, the favor is towards the upside. One more thing as well, you also have the bump and run. You have the bump and run. So the technical target of this bump and run, by the way, I'm gonna tell you what it is. From here to here, that's gonna take you nearly to, actually this is where you're breaking out. Okay, that's gonna take you all the way to $77,000. So Bitcoin, unless you don't lose the bump and run and you close below it, then Bitcoin is on a technical journey to go to $77,000. It is what it is. Okay, so I'm putting up another blue line right there. One more thing is on the daily as well. I'm gonna dive into the daily. You have something that we call as an inverse head and shoulder. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, that is your right shoulder as well. And people are saying, oh, this is a head and shoulder. Guys, listen up, we haven't lost this neckline. Okay, what is in play is an inverse head and shoulder, because we broke out of the inverse head and shoulder neckline. You broke out of it, you even came down to back test it on the daily. On the weekly, it's a bump and run. So now what is your technical target of this one? From the top here to the bottom right there, inverse head and shoulder. Where does it take you? Again, to the $77,000. Now expect during the Q1 in here, during the Q1, we are gonna move to $77,000 within the next 4 months, and that's just my own price prediction at the moment. That's just my own research. By the end of the day, don't take my words as the final one. And that's it for today's Bitcoin update. Enjoy, guys. I do think Bitcoin once again is bullish. There's no threat to go to the downside anymore. I do see some upwards potential. And now on the daily, potentially you're making a bull flag as well. I just noticed this one right now. So you went up like this with a candle, and this is a very small tiny bull flag right there. Okay, so if you start to break out of this bull flag from here to here, that's gonna take you all the way to that price level, 49,200. So let's say we actually go there by today or tomorrow on the short-term frame, if you want to see where Bitcoin is going to go. So I do think Bitcoin can move to 49,210. I'm going to drop the blue line right there, because this bull flag can actually play out. If you break out of it, it's going to move up, and then from there we can actually shift to the upside for good and go to $59,000, because I'm going to drop 59,000 here as well. Actually, let's put 58,900 out of that, stick sandwich, because it can rise by 27% in the next coming few days. So yeah, to actually analyze this, yes, we were bearish at the smaller time frame, and the market is still in an accumulation phase, guys. It's in an accumulation phase, and the decision is coming by 22 of January. And for me, the pick is to the upside. Okay, I see Bitcoin moving to even 100K in this year alone. So that's the good thing. Now that people are so bearish and people are so fearful in the market, it's really time for me to get bullish, because I've seen these patterns playing out even when we were down here, and then boom, we went all to the upside. People are so bearish in here, they said we're going to go to the $20,000, and that's when we had a swerve and we continued. People are so bearish right now, they're going to say, oh, we're going to go to $40,000 and fail the wick. No. Even as a matter of fact, if you do go to $40,000, then in my opinion, you're actually putting this huge head and shoulder, and you're actually respecting the head and shoulder, and 40,000 is not going to be the level to stop. Then you're actually going to go all the way down to that $25,000 playing with the head and shoulders. Do you understand that? That's going to be very bad. And that also means on the weekly time frame that what we thought was a bullish candlestick like the sandwich, you are making a bear pennant, by the way. And this bear pennant will go from here all the way down to there, maybe take you all the way to nearly $31,000 as well. So you really don't want to go and fill the wick, to be honest with you. If you start to fill the wick like this, it's going to actually create some very bad bearish sentiments, unless you just don't go down very quickly, fill the wick, and then it becomes a very quick wick, and then you close above the 46,700. That's what you want to see. So that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.